how to pre-register Stumble guys for your Nintendo Switch. So first you need to select the age, okay? Select the age, whatever. And then accept. And then you can see this coming soon to Nintendo Switch. So I'm going to tap this pre-register. So you need to provide your email ID and the phone number is optional and you need to choose the consoles. So I'm going to choose the console now and then confirm. You have successfully registered. We will email you with more information on. Stay tuned. So if you want to share to your friends, you can share it. I'll be providing the link in the descriptions. You can take it. So if you pre-register right, you can grab the free early access offer. So that's it, friends. I'll be posting the video how to download this Stumble Guys on your Nintendo Switch. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback on video forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.